Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss these run deals. This is a run deal at Walgreens. Get set to run. These will sell out. There's a glitch going on right now, and I'm going to go over it in a minute. Make sure you're clipping the coupon that I left you in the community post. Check the community of this channel so you can see what coupons I'm talking about. I'll show you my receipts and I'll show you what we got. Make sure that you run and get this deal before it sells out. These will sell out. These are selling out like crazy. We're going to be picking up 3 of the charcoal Oral-B toothbrushes. I picked up the medium ones because those were the ones that were attaching to the $6 off coupon. This is the UPC code if you need it. $6 off coupon. There's a $6 off on 3. These are $4 each this week. At Walgreens, times 3, that's $12. We're going to be using the $6 off on 3. That'll make it $6 for 3 of them. Here is my receipt. Let me go ahead and show you that. Here is my receipt. Nope. Sorry about that. Give me a minute. All right, here's my receipt. We have $12 for 3 of them, and we have $6 off. I paid $6 out of pocket. You could pay $6 in Walgreens cash, and guess what? Voila! We started getting a lot of stuff printed out. Let me show you everything I got. So I got a $4 store coupon for purchasing those, and it does say $4 off. Save $4 off. It does say it's a store coupon there. Plus, on top of that, let me move that one over there. I got a $5 manufacturer coupon for purchasing the Oral-B toothbrushes, making all of this completely free, plus a $3 moneymaker. Run and get yours before they're gone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave those thumbs up so YouTube can notify you as soon as my videos go up. Subscribe and hit the bell button all the way up. Don't miss the deals. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.